Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to 3 Minute English. My name is Vince. Today, I'm going to show you how to use see you around. This is another way of saying goodbye. However, they are not the same and not always interchangeable. So I'm going to show you an example with the one and only Johnny to make sure you understand this, okay? Let's say Johnny is currently in the US, in San Francisco, California, and he's video calling a friend from Spain. The conversation is going great as usual, but it's getting late and she has to say goodbye. So Johnny says goodbye as well, but he won't use see you around because it doesn't sound quite right. So instead, he says good night until next time. The very next day, Johnny is having a conversation with another friend who's living in San Francisco as well. Let's say they're talking on the phone and Johnny has to end the call. So he says, "It was nice talking to you. See you around." Now, do you see why Johnny used it with his friend in San Francisco, but not the one in Spain? This is because see you around is normally used when you and another person is living somewhere where the both of you are capable of seeing each other in person basically every day. So if the two of you are in different countries, it's best not to use it. Is that clear? Does it make sense? Another way I can explain it is, it's basically a shorter form of saying see you around in our city, neighborhood, community, etc. Okay, but you might be asking yourself, what if Johnny lives in San Francisco, California, and his friend is living all the way down in San Diego, California? Same state, but not in different countries. Would Johnny be able to use see you around? I would say no, but there's always exceptions and it depends. For example, if Johnny is super rich and owns a helicopter where he's able to see his friend very often. But yeah, it's probably best not to use it in this case. All right, so that pretty much concludes our lesson. If you have any questions, you know where to put them. Jot them down in the comment section. And also remember to subscribe, like, and thank you so much for watching.